So hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Oracle Off-Campus Drive 2023. So they're hiring for the Oracle Application DBA position. That means database administrator position it is. That means it's a technical position. So if we're discussing about the eligibility criteria and about the application process and other process. So if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding various off-campus. And also you can join our Telegram channel as well, like to get the off-campus related updates. And also if you are going to attend any technical interview or any other HR interview for any technical or any IT or software related profiles or companies, then you can reach out to us for free mock interview. Like it's a totally free mock interview. We'll be screening your resumes and we'll be like helping you throughout the process, like how to prepare for the interview and how to improve your skills and all, right? So now let's discuss. So they're hiring for the it's for the India position. That means it maybe the Bangalore location or Hyderabad or Pune, etc. Like it's a pan India kind of thing. And I'm not sure about the hybrid position or the location or the remote location. So based on the project, they will let you know if you can do the work from home or hybrid or work from office. So now let's discuss about the other things. So this is the ID. So you can use this ID for the reference. And the job category is support, but it is not a fully support profile. In here you will be beyond support, you will be doing the things, right? And it's a regular position, and the year of experience needed is 0 to 2 years. That means freshers can also apply because this is a entry level profile. So freshers can apply. Later we'll be discussing about the year of pass out or the batch criteria. But for the time being, freshers are eligible for this position. And number of applicants, if you see only 10 applicants, 10 people have already applied for this position. That means the probability is high here being shortlisted for the interview for this position. So that's why I am making this video here, because the number of applicant is very less here. So now let's discuss about the job description. So later you can go through all the responsibilities and all, but let me quickly discuss about few things or expertise or the skills you need to apply for this position. You need to have some basic understanding if you are a fresher. So manage and support Oracle database, middleware or the e-business suite application, or the generally they call it as EBS. Basically it's a e-business suite is a product of Oracle that generally helps for the HRMS or the supply chain or the procurement and etc for various fields or the for various purpose people use this e-business suite or the kind of PeopleSoft and other EBS technologies or the applications are there. And this is the Oracle own product, and implement and coordinate changes in infrastructure, database, middleware application and all. I was telling you earlier that it's not a support kind of job. You will also be doing the implementation activity as well, right? And you must be having some basic idea about the Python programming or the scripting knowledge, like how to do the scripting and especially the object oriented programming. And support and maintain the Oracle e-business suite high availability design spanning. So you can go, if you're a fresher, if you don't know anything about the EBS, then you can Google it out and you can learn about how exactly it works and all. So you'll be getting some some idea or the basic knowledge about that if you're a fresher, right? Then other than this, you must be having some Linux or Unix knowledge, like how to do the scripting and all, like shell scripting, etc. And Ubuntu work 24/7 shifts, it may be rotational kind of shift. It will be happening based on the project actually, but mostly it is a general it's a general shift only. and good educational background is needed. So coming to the batch criteria, so any year of pass out or the batch candidates can apply, and there is no restriction to the what I will say to the branch actually, like the civil, electrical or mechanical or the CAC candidates can apply, provided you must be having some basic understanding about all these things if you are a fresher. And batch criteria, any batch candidate can apply, even 2023 or 2024 candidates can also apply, because almost like we're at the end of this like year, right? So if you are willing to apply, simply click on the apply now button, then it will take you to the application page. So here you don't need to have any account created already, like you can simply select your email address. You need to click on I agree the terms and condition, then it will take you to the like confirmation year ID. So once you confirm it, like you will be able to proceed further. So actually I am not logged in into this email address, so I will not be able to like confirm this. But once you verify, then it will be asking you to provide all the basic details, like your qualification and your personal details and all. Once you provide, it will ask you to upload your resume. So that's it. It will be taking hardly 2 minutes of time. Once you are done with this process, then they will be sending you an invitation for the test, like basic SQL and the scripting and other things, like MCQ questions will be there. Once you clear this, there will be a technical interview and followed by the HR interview or the managerial interview process. So this is all about the hiring process. So only the selected candidates will be receiving the emails for the interview or for the written test, not every like candidate. So this is all about the hiring process. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video so that you will be able to apply for this position before it gets expired. And unfortunately, if it gets expired, so you can no need to like be panic. Like here you can apply or search for the Oracle DBA. If you see Oracle code DBA, so like this you can search and you can apply for the like positions based on your experience. So so this is all about this position. So I hope it is clear right now. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and all the best with your job search.